So the Jamaican black castor oil moisturizes and boosts hair growth. It increased circulation to the scalp. It increased the absorption of other product and ingredients. It locked in the scalp and storing moisture. It nourished the scalp with its protein, vitamin, and fatty acid. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. This is Laurice Lifestyle and I am Laurice. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this, yes, red onions to regrow my edges. I'm going to talk about the health benefit. I'm going to talk about why I believe it works. And I'm going to show you pictures in the end of the video of what my hair looked like when I took braids out that rips the edge of my hair out. And I'm going to show you how to make it, most importantly, so you can try it at home. For this batch of onion juice, I'm going to use 3 large red onions. I'm going to use some lavender freshly picked from my garden this morning. I'm adding some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm not comfortable using this as I'm at the end of my Jamaican black castor oil. I have my spray bottle so I could apply it easily to my hair. I have a strainer and I have my measuring cup. I like this one because it's easy to pour to my spray bottle, and my blender is over there. You can use whatever essential oil you like, rosemary, peppermint, lavender, all good for your hair. Most importantly, it masks the smell of the onions so your hair won't smell like onions. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these into smaller pieces. If you're using a juicer or a newer model blender, you don't have to do that. My blender is an old blender, over 10 years old. I'm helping her out a little bit. And you don't need to add any water in there. There's enough onion juice in there. You'd be surprised as to how much juice is in here. And the way I like to do my onion juice, once I'm done with it, I spray it in the roots of my hair and massage it right through. In the beginning, I only use it on my edges as I was just testing to see how well it works. I'm going to add both ingredients to my blender, hoping to get as much juice as I can from my onion and as much lavender oil from my lavender plant. One of the things I found out while researching onion for hair is that onion is high in antibacterial properties, so it helps to keep your scalp healthy and free of infection. So it is very good for people with scalp infection, dry, itchy scalp, and dandruff. Onion juice also helps the hair itself. Onion juice can help dry, brittle hair. It helps with premature graying, hair loss. It also helps to stimulate and protect the growth of your current hair. It boosts circulation. It increases your hair volume. It makes your hair shine and stronger. It also stops breakage and thinning of the hair. Applying onion juice to your hair and scalp could increase blood flow to the hair follicles, which is what improves the hair growth. Once there is enough blood flow to your hair follicles, your hair will just naturally grow. This is how our hair grows. How do I know that onion juice really works to regrow hair? Apart from my edges grow back in only 5 weeks of using onion juice on my hair, which is all the proof I need for myself. Onion juice have dietary sulfur, and the body needs sulfur for the adequate production of enzyme and protein. Sulfur is found in amino acid, which is a compound of protein. Protein is very good for hair, especially keratin, which is found in onion. The sulfur that's found in onion is known to increase the growing phase of the hair, which make hair grow faster and longer. The sulfine in onion also help to promote collagen production, and the collagen help to grow your hair as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Jamaican black castor oil to my spray bottle now. I'm at the very end of my Jamaican black castor oil. And to Christine, send some quick because of the pandemic, me not get for come down there, but me need some. So the Jamaican black castor oil moisturize and boost hair growth. It increased circulation to the scalp. It increased the absorption of other product and ingredients. It locked in the scalp and storing moisture. It nourished the scalp with its protein, vitamin, and fatty acid. So I add the lavender to stimulate hair growth for faster and thicker than normal hair growth. It moisturizes dry scalp and fight against hair loss. Lavender also protect and improve dry, brittle hair. It leaves hair shiny and softer. It also great to mask the smell of the onion. You do not want your hair to smell like onions. That is how I make my onion juice, and I really believe it's responsible for regrowing my hair. I share the health benefit with you. Go ahead and try it if you like. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. See you on the next one. Bye.